In this tutorial, I'm going to discuss about using operating system in Hyper-V. So we install Hyper-V, and now we're going to discuss about how to use or how to uh, operate Hyper-V, what this platform provide us, what how to play, because it's just like it's not normally we are using Hyper-V in the physical machine, but we are running the operating system in some platform. So it goes to rows, and what we show that we install Hyper-V, and now you can open Hyper-V Manager from Server Manager too. Hyper-V is install Hyper-V Manager, and where we install we create a virtual machine in the last video. Okay, so in Hyper-V Manager you find the virtual machine, and in the virtual machine you find option there. You just connect, and we need to start. Since this is installed, it means we now going to start the machine. And a couple of options we are going to discuss in this video, which really requires to basic video, the basic settings in this video. So this is starting the virtual machine. It took some time. Okay, finally connecting to WS 2008. So if you want to reinstall, since DVDs are already there in the physical drive, that's the reason it's saying press any key to go with the installation. We want to reinstall and go with. Okay, so a couple of buttons are available in the wizard, and now first thing first. The first screen we used to get in Windows Server 2000 is Control Alt Delete. Now remember, Control Alt Delete. If you press these three button together, then then this command will goes to your physical machine. Means your physical machine will lock. Control Alt Delete. So that's the reason the virtual machine, if I give a command Control Alt Delete to have it into this virtual machine, then this will be there in the physical machine. That's the reason you're getting the option there. The icon is there, Control Alt Delete. Also in the action pane you have the option Control Alt Delete. So the coding, the three coding is Control Alt End, or you press that icon there. This is the icon, or you can go with Control Alt plus N to press Control Alt Delete in the virtual machine. And this is what the command, this is what the codes of in the virtual machine, and not the physical. In physical machine, when you want to unlock, when you want to lock, you have to press Control Alt Delete. Now as soon as we pressing the you can see ICT is opening, and then server manager. So it's just normally or server used to open like that. So now in this way you can find out that the pointer, the mouse pointer, is stuck in the inside the screen, and no way you're able to using this mouse are outside the Hyper-V. Means it's not coming, it's just stuck. And you can see, and the exclamation mark is there to control, to release the mouse pointer. You have to press Control plus Alt plus left arrow. This is the uh, this is the way to release mouse pointer from the virtual machine. Control plus Alt plus left arrow. Otherwise, it will be stuck. So just keep pressing. Now this is the normally we used to have it, and finally the mouse will be out from the machine. But normally we have two mouse pointers. One is of your physical machine, and one is of your virtual machine. This is what you used to. A couple of buttons are there. Is turn off button. If you press that turn off button, uh, very means without shutting down, it will turn off, means like you power off your system. uh, Without shutting down, you just power out your UPS or the main plug, whatever. This is turn off. This is uh, the machine will stop without shutdown, means unsafely it will power off. Now there is a shutdown button too, means if you press that shutdown button, your system will shut down. No needs to go with the start and log off and that. Like this is the when you press start, you have your own button shut down. You can save the mode. For example, for some reason you need to go somewhere into your doing testing or doing practicals in the uh, machine, and in between you want to work around some other things. You can save the state and just go. Once this state was safe, you can once again start the machine back. So status is saved, just starting, and it will restore your machine from where you left. Okay, so a couple of buttons are there. It's pause. We all know pausing and resetting. The machine will reset again. And snapshot, this is very important. We will discuss about snapshot in the upcoming videos. Let put that snapshot aside. Now you have a couple of more options there. Settings of WS2008, you can add hardwares requires, for example, network card, DVD, hard disk, what he wants to give. It is up to you totally. He wants to add, but some things may not work. You have to restart, or better you shut down your system to add a hardware. And action, you will find the option there is insert integration services desktop disk desk. And this is what the used to call, for example, the extra software which increase the working style of the Hyper-V. Those who are using VMware or VirtualBox may have have a look out on the software which we used to have an integration and services. Uh, it will just boost up your system, and it just boost up the working style of the system. So we all have like that. In in VMware you can call as VMware tools. In VirtualBox, in Virtual PC used to be called as a software. And VirtualBox, so it's just restarting a system. So those are called as tools. You will get those in settings. Okay, I'm just restarting. After restarting, we just giving a password. So these are the tools which integrate your experience of virtual machine. Now, one thing you will enable, we find out that now there is no hassle in the mouse pointer. This physical mouse pointer will also work in virtual machine. Before there was two mouse pointer. One is of a physical machine, and one is when you press or something, your mouse will stuck inside the virtual machine. Now it's just like that. It have the same mouse. Now you can even change the time zone of whatever time zone currently your machine having. So you can set like that. So this is what in VMware we call VMware tools. So everyone have a tools. This is what we used to call and a software software to integrate the experience, to increase the experience of the virtual machine. And currently you can see that the network driver is available but not not available basically. So we will learn about the network drive in the upcoming videos. Now you can have media files, you can have DVD insert, and you can eject VM guest and insert disk, capture the physical drives, the DVD drives disk, for example, to see the DVD, and you can eject that. This is for the disk drive. I don't know what exactly is this, but DVD drive, whatever we want to work with. Okay, we can uncapture it. A clipboard, and you can capture screenshots. Means this particular screenshot you can capture it for a practical version for creating theories. This is how it works. So this is a couple of options are available in the Hyper-V, and you can utilize those according to your need. We're going to learn about uh, Hyper-V more and more in upcoming videos, but this is what the basics of how you can use operating system inside Hyper-V, how to install operating systems in the Hyper-V. Hope you learned something from it. Let me close this, shut down the machine, and we will learn about those in upcoming videos more and more. Thanks for watching.